Saan ba nanggagaling sa Lacson para maintindihan natin? I reviewed it, itong Buongiorno, ang capitalization lang niya, nung 2015, paid up capital niya is 20,000. Paano niya ma-afford ang 106 million in just 3 days? 3 barko na shipment. But ladies and gentlemen, 3 barko pa lang to na shipment. Pina-check ko sa system namin ngayon, since I assume office, 67 na barko ang pinarating ni Ping Lacson Jr. Bilyon po ang halaga niyan. Ang kanyang capitalization, 20,000. Ngayon, yung sinasabi ni Ping Lacson, na may mga player, tanungin ko to sa iyo, Senator Ping Lacson, player ka ba? 20,000 lang ang capitalization ng anak mo, si Buongiorno. 67. Within while we are talking, dadalhin sa akin how many billion ang halaga ng inismuggle na ito by undervaluation. I just learned it today. That 67 shiploads of cement ang pinasok ni Buongiorno during that 1 year. Ito ang kinakatakutan mo, sir. Kasi we are getting close to getting you, to exposing you. We now have evidence.